this is the first time in the form where I'm not moving my arms to move my body, right? All this, I'm moving my hands first to move my body. Now I'm going to practice moving my body to move my hands, right? So it would be better if you showed it rather than I show it because I'm obviously a little bit stronger, okay? So again, I want you to practice moving my arm with just your arm first and then send the power, do it the way we do it in the iron body. Okay, arm first. Okay, now go ahead. Again, arm first. Now body. Better. Just remember to swallow and then out through the back. Okay, try it with the other hand. Arm first. Good. Yeah. Much better. Okay. Now, that was good, but don't keep it here. Make it both. Remember, you're squeezing in and you're pushing out. So when you're swallowing in, you squeeze in, and then when you get ready to send it through the back, push out. Much. You see the difference? Do that again. Now you move my whole root.